in the previous class we have discussed about the harvest festivals. No children, in the today's class let us discuss about dance forms of India. Children, dance forms of India. Forms means children, simply we can tell it as types of dances of India. Dance forms of India can be mainly divided into two types, children. Folk dance, classical dance and folk dance. Children, our India is very well known all over the world for its classical dances. Children, India is very well known all over the world for its classical dances. And children, these classical dances have existed in our India for thousands of years. And the classical dances are performed by the professionals. Children, these classical dances are performed by the professionals. And children, and these are performed by the trained students who have taken training for many years. And these are mainly performed in temples and religious institutions. And in the olden days, children, these dances are performed in front of the kings and other important people. Children, you can observe in the old movies, these dances are performed in front of the kings and other some important people. Each dance form comes from a particular state. Children, okay children, let us see. Bharatanatyam. Children, Bharatanatyam is the dance form of Tamil Nadu. Children, Bharatanatyam is the dance form of Tamil Nadu. And next, Kathak. Children, Kathak is the dance form of Uttar Pradesh. Children, it is the dance form of Uttar Pradesh. And next, Kathakali. Kathakali is the dance form of Kerala. Children, Kathakali is the dance form of Kerala. Next, Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi, you know children, have you any idea about this classical dance? It is a dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Children, it is a dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Yes. Next, Manipuri. Children, Manipuri. This is a dance form of Manipur. Manipuri is a dance form of Manipur. Children. Yes. Next, Mohiniyattam. Children, Mohiniyattam. This is a dance form of Kerala. Both children, Kathakali and Mohiniyattam, are the classical dances of Kerala. Okay. Next, Odissi. Children, Odissi is the dance form of Odisha. Okay. Yes. Next, Satriya. Children, Satriya is the dance form of Assam. Children. Okay children. Folk dances. Children, children, what is mean by folk dances? Folk dances are the part of tradition of particular area. Children, these dances are part of tradition of particular area. And children, these are simple form of dances. These are simple type of dances. Anybody can dance this type of dances. Children, they perform this dance, they perform the folk dance to express their happiness and joy. Children, they perform this dance to express their joy and happiness. Children, on some special occasions, like we dance on our cousin's marriage and like that. No, in the same way they perform this dance to express their joy and happiness. Children, let us see some of the folk dances of our India. Okay children. Bihu and Chow from Eastern India. Children, Bihu and Chow from Eastern India. Bihu is a folk dance of Assam and Chow is a folk dance of West Bengal. Children. And next, Garba and Ras are from Western India. Children, Garba and Ras from Western India. Garba is a folk dance of Ahmedabad. Children, and Ras is the folk dance of Gujarat. And next, Padayani and Kumi from Southern India. Children, Padayani and Kumi from Southern India. Padayani is the folk dance of Kerala. Children, and Kumi is the folk dance of Tamil Nadu. And next, Bhangra and Damhal from Northern India. Children, Bhangra and Damhal from Northern India. Children, Bhangra is the folk dance of Punjab and Damhal is the folk dance of Jammu and Kashmir. Children. Okay children. Okay children, now let's discuss about Indian classical music. Children, Indian classic musical is divided into two types. Children, Hindustani and Carnatic. Hindustani music and Carnatic music. Children, Hindustani music is originated in the Vedic period. Children, and Carnatic is originated in the Bhakti movement. And Hindustani music is practiced in the northern India. Children, and it has two main forms, Drupad and Khyal. These are the two main forms of Hindustani music. Children, and Carnatic music is mainly practiced in southern India. Children, Okay, let us see some of the musical instruments that are used in the classical music, children. Okay, yes, tabla, santoor, veena, flute, shanai, sitar, sarod, harmonium and tambura. Children, these are some of the musical instruments that are used in our Indian classical music. Okay, children. Okay, children, we are done with the lesson. Hope so you have understood the lesson. We are done with our second lesson, culture in India, children. Now let us discuss the points to remember, children, in the page number 234. There are 3 points, children. Let us discuss the 3 points. Okay. The festivals of India can be divided into harvest, religious and national festival. Yes, children, in the first class we have discussed the festivals of India are divided into 3: harvest, religious and national festivals. Okay, the dance forms of India can be divided into, it is of 2 types, children. What are they? Yes, classical and folk dance. Classical and folk dance. Yes, children. Indian classical music can be divided into 2 types. What are the 2 types, children? Hindustani classical music and Carnatic music. Hindustani classical music and Carnatic music. Okay, children, let me give you today's task. Okay, children, I want you to write the new words, children. I want you to write the new words. Okay, write it in your classwork. Okay, let me tell you those new words. Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Manipuri, Mohiniyattam, Odissi, Satriya, Hindustani, Carnatic. Okay, children, write these 10 new words in your classwork, children. Okay, children.